Bachiga TV program yawe Nyamurungi gurabagutariho Elizatwine Dogupalia areka twenda kutuganirira Dogupalia Dogupalia Bastinje Men Association ojo omwe alibo ninga
yamo washuba wagaruza amasho mu mbuga Stinje Men ati manya yabankasire kwini inabire ndi kuganga atogwe nuko mushija arabatarafana mukazi aramunegerectinga ngano kushanga nko kuyo kubarena ngo mutware nko muri tirolize usanga utari kutwara no mukazi ngwaze chakara ate wataya yo muchara na chakara awaba kwagadenyo. So for us the Bachiga TV we always tell the truth ngenu wabo ino mukazi otara muchakaza mani baba Stinje Men batarachakaza bakazi babo
so ngeno sheme kutwara kademo kawe ukachakaza
ngenu ote musintaxi na archaeology azorina kademu azaweka kurora keje sa biology ko muramuri kuchakara ngenu radio
biology wamanyise chitina
archaeology means knowledge of understanding and ingredients you put in love so that somebody admires and love in passionate
Dogupalia ko ino rujungu gwinji
namazimashomire
so wankakasangu akademu akawara katwara out ninga tora katwara galisho
ura mutwara wari tirolizi nawe yakakareba zantebe nebishoni ngeno demu akukunde no mutima wogugumwe kandi Bachiga TV tetwejezaga amazima konkati demu wagoma muhunikiro munjunke bihimba unitera kwebuza cece nuze kumuchakazo mutware nko muri tirolizi yakara jangu ogumushesha nowe be ngeno nawe kwechitinis konka Bastinje Men aba batararebera abademo babo ngaze kumuchakaza mazimo rero isigira bushana kabagambira mwayanga namazima ajere tindi kubere namazima
man, it's ile school is about this promoter around town the TG International a program yawe Nyamurungi gurabagutariho Bachiga TV. Remember we are dressed and styled by Derry Corrections Kabali. Chris Prince on the camera. Peace.